Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix SOS only on iPhone in 2026. When your phone shows SOS only, it cannot connect to your carrier's normal network. To fix this, first of all turn your airplane mode and wait for a few seconds before turning it off. Next, you will need to restart your iPhone completely. If the problem continues, open your settings and then click on cellular and check cellular settings. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted and active. You can also check for carrier updates and install any available iOS updates. If none of these steps work, contact your mobile carrier for assistance. And that's it. That's how to fix SOS only on iPhone. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.